How to find and install missing drivers for Windows 11. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect way. So let me start the video. So first we need to check our window updates. We need to go in settings, just open the settings, come here window updates options and just check for updation, window updation, and just enable it. Okay, so wait for some time, then it will be update, and then after updation we need to go in this advanced settings. Under the advanced setting we need to go here optional updates. So here you can see some drivers, maybe you need to just check the list and install that driver. Okay, and the second method is come to the device manager. Okay, and whatever you think that drivers not working properly, just if in case your USB driver not properly work, come to the USB and just right click on it, go to the update drivers and update from the internet. In my case my drivers already updated, so it show like this. Now you can search for update drivers for on window updates. Okay, and here the second option, browse my computer, and here go to the let me pick up from list. So here select your window drivers and it will be reinstalled. Okay, select the list and reinstall it, click on next, it will be reinstalled. So you need to do every drivers like this process. Okay, and there is a one more method. Come to your browser. Okay, come to your browser and search for that snappy driver installer. This is a snappy driver installer, just open it. This is a free source where you can find your missing drivers for your PC. You can download from here. This software will be installed and you need to open this software, then scan your missing driver, and you can see like this all missing driver. You need to check whether which driver you want to install. Just check click on it and just install it. Okay, this is a free software on the internet, you can use it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.